Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I want to talk to you about a main difference between Google Analytics and Shopify Analytics. Because as we know, if you run a Shopify store, Shopify Analytics is included in your store, but you can also add external Google Analytics, integrate with your website, and compare data from both sides. But why do you need two different websites if they analyze almost the same things? So in this video, I will go through the main differences between Google Analytics and Shopify Analytics and which one should you use to monitor your sales, to monitor your conversion rate, to monitor your traffic, and obviously which one will help you to find the traffic sources which convert the best for you. Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic, and sales. Let's get started. So what exactly is the main difference between Google Analytics and Shopify Analytics? Well, based on my experience, the main difference is in the nature of the data you get from both platforms, and I do encourage you to use both platforms at the same time to measure your performance. Shopify Analytics helps you to monitor your sales and also your conversion rate. You've got plenty of data, but most of it relates to sales. Which traffic sources bring you the most sales? So you can monitor if your performance go up. Obviously, you can change the period you want to view. You want to compare against the previous period. So you can check last month, today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 90 days, last 30 days, and so on. And obviously compare it to a previous period, especially if you want to compare this year to previous year and so on. So this is quite useful. However, Shopify Analytics is less detailed than Google Analytics, and it focuses only on sales, or should I say mainly on sales. And Google Analytics, on the other hand, will help you actually scale your business and help you improve your marketing, your sales, and help you understand which traffic sources send you the best traffic, so you can focus on the best converting traffic sources moving forward, so you don't spend unnecessary money on marketing or on shoutouts that don't generate sales. You wouldn't find out which ones are these without the actual in-depth data into your Google Analytics. Google Analytics also contains your data about an audience. So basically, who visits your website, what are their interests, what is their age, what is their gender, what kind of devices they're using. So this is perfect if you are targeting only mobile users. For example, if you are selling mobile only app or something like that. So this is really useful. You can see exactly which city, which country your visitors are located in, or should I say where they're visiting, where they browsing your website, where they're located when they actually browsing your website. The screen resolution, so much more detailed information than Shopify Analytics. And the actual data that can help you scale your business is under acquisition. So if you click on left-hand panel on acquisition, I'll just click on overview, so I won't be going into more in-depth. Here you can see which traffic sources bring you the most sales, what is the bounce rate. So obviously we know what is the bounce rate, how long people spend on your website. So you can click on this tab to see it in more detail and compare it against other traffic sources. And the most important is what's the conversion rate against other traffic sources. So you can see that the social traffic converts in less than 1%. Direct traffic, which generally is return visitors, converts in almost 4%. Organic search, so obviously free Google search, converts really good, almost 4%. The best converts from this particular website is other, obviously it is not specified, but also affiliate marketing. So you can see, okay, so affiliate marketing brings me a lot of sales, so I can focus on those traffic sources and perhaps focus less on social media or let's say referral traffic, but affiliate traffic converts really well, so I can then allocate double my marketing budget, double my time to easily double sales, because obviously this traffic source converts at 5.83%, so almost 6%. Basically 6 out of 100 visitors from this traffic source leads to sales, which is really important. So I do recommend monitoring this particular part, this particular section on Google Analytics. Don't worry about others at this stage. If you feel overwhelmed with Google Analytics, this is the best part to get started. Audience, you don't need to worry about it. You can delve into the data if you will be building your audience on Facebook for Facebook ads and so on. Behavior, also, this is not really staple data that you need to scale your business, but this under acquisition, I do recommend spending some time getting familiar with the data it contains. Obviously, click on other sources, click on other elements under acquisition, because it's really worth it. For years and years and years, I felt very discouraged from using Google Analytics because I thought it is too scary, it is too detailed. I really don't know what this data mean for my business, for my website. But once I really spent some time, I understood that it's quite clear and you can easily monitor it, and it's much detailed than Shopify Analytics. I don't say that one analytics is better than the other. You should monitor both, but definitely I recommend focusing on Google Analytics if you want to find the best converting traffic sources for your website, if you want to scale your marketing budget, if you want to scale your business. I do recommend monitoring analytics at least once a month, and you will see a huge difference in your business performance. If you love this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Shopify and SEO tips. Now check those 2 videos recommended for you here to watch next to learn about running a successful online business, driving free traffic and sales. I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye.